because we believe that silence is our enemy, but sound is our weapon. Music is our weapon. We wrote this song, Hell You Talking About, because we felt like the names that are often not spoken needed to be heard. This is just continuing the conversations. You guys are the organizers out here on the front line. We just want to give whatever we can, whatever tool we can to help you get out your frustrations. This song deals with the anguish, the negligence, the disrespect that has been going on in the abuse of power by not all police officers, but more than enough. So we want to ask that you all join us in singing this song. We bring in drums, not guns. Singing this song, Hell You Talking About. Here we go. Let's clap. Gray, say his name. Freddie Gray, say his name. I got a drum, 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 say his name. Such a blood, 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 what's his name? Say his name. 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 Hell.
Hell you talking about? 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 Sean Burrow, say his name. 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 Rakia 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 Burrow, say his name. Justice Howard, 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 say his name. 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 Hell you talking about? 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 Hell you talking about?
Brad Hampton! Say his name! 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 Brad Hampton!
Hell you talking about? 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 Amari Brown, say his name. 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 Hell you talking about? 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 Hell you talking about?
Justice Howard! Say his name! Justice Howard!
Say his name.
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 Justice Howard!
Hell you talking about? 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 Hell you talking about?
for this project and this I'm the mama, and I'm telling you all, it's going to be all right. I don't normally do protests, I don't do all of that, and I thank all of you who do, but this is important. The truth of the matter is, my baby is gone, we still don't know what happened to her. Okay? We still don't have all the information we're supposed to have, but it's going to be taken care of. Alright? I ask all of you that's with me, stay with me. Those of you that are not with us, you come.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Hell you talking about? Hell you talking about?
Let's go!
Hell you talking about? Hell you talking about? Hell you talking about? Hell you talking about? Ricky boy, say her name. 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 Ricky boy. Ricky boy was shot 5 times by an off-duty officer by the name of Dante Servant in Douglas Park. That happened in 2012. He went to court. The judge threw out his case. Unacceptable. With an unregistered handgun, shot to a crowd of black folks. She was shot 5 times, fully hit in the back of the head. He's still on the force. $87,000 a year this man makes. Still on the force.
You're hearing us out.
Amos Smith.
You got a father call in and say, can you say my son's name?